Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got some juicy iPhone secrets to share with you all. These are features that'll totally change the way you use your iPhone, and you might not even know they exist. 1. Quick video record trick. Ever been in a rush to capture something? Well, forget scrolling through the camera app. Just hold down that shutter button in photo mode and boom, instant video recording. 2. One-handed keyboard. Tired of stretching your thumb across the screen? Say no more. Activate the one-handed keyboard by holding down the keyboard button and type with ease. 3. Save a tap with numbers. Typing numbers got you down? Hold down the 123 key, type your numbers, and release. No extra taps needed. 4. Spacebar cursor trick. Selecting a specific spot in your text can be a pain, but not anymore. Hold down the spacebar to magically summon a cursor. 5. Shake to Undoru. Made a typo? Just give your phone a little shake and undo that mistake. Shake again to redo, easy peasy. 6. Customize Control Center. Did you know you can add extra shortcuts? Head to Settings, customize your control center, and make your life easier. 7. Background sounds. Need some chill vibes? Check out the background sounds feature in the control center for soothing noises like rain, perfect for concentration or relaxation. 8. Harry Potter. Easter egg. Feeling magical? Say Lumos to Siri and watch your flashlight come to life. Say Nox to turn it off. It's like casting spells with your phone. 9. Force restart. Is your iPhone acting up? Give it a good old force restart by following these simple steps. And there you have it, folks. 9 hidden iPhone features that'll level up your iPhone game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.